Nepal Tourism Board is one of the body who is responsible for the promotion of tourism in Nepal, and we are really working hard, especially after the COVID, when we really need more and more tourists, looking at the Nepalese economic situation. And as a part of that, we are organizing a number of events, but for the first time, with the support of Chinese Embassy, and we are going to organize Dragon Boat Race Festival in Pokhara. Well, this is an event that never happened in Nepal before, or you can say not even in the South Asia, but it is a very popular event in more than 50 countries. And we realized that after the COVID, since China is recently open, we need to focus more on the Chinese market. And for the first time, I found that the embassy themselves are very much, taking initiation for bringing more tourists from their country. It normally not happen. Whenever I talk to any country's representative to bring more tourists from their country, they said that our duty is to send more tourists to our country. Only the China is the one who is helping us to bring more tourists from China to Nepal, which is very, very encouraging. And thank you, the officials from Chinese Embassy, to support us and to to uplift the tourism industry of Nepal, or to support the economy of Nepal from the tourism sector.